Yo, what's up? I got a radio my boss gave me. I'm copying Solderjet 883. I kind of liked his project, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Here's the back. Anybody wants to buy it, the guts will be up for sale. Anybody wants it, make me an offer. Pretty good. The speaker's not too bad of shape. I might need to repair that a little bit, but
Yeah, I think so.
it's not too bad though. The inside, the glass is still good. I don't know what year it's from. 1940. Got the sticker there. We'll preserve that. I mean, the wood just might need a little sanding. It's not too bad, you know? Maybe a little touch-up. Not sure what color it's going. Maybe the color of that chair right there. Like that. I want to make it for my boss's new office. You know, Bluetooth capabilities. LEDs. These are all the tools I'm going to use. One of the drill bits I'm going to use, maybe nails. But I got the saw ready. That's just the blade I'm going to use. Some of the screws. Got stuff I might use on there. Who knows? We'll see.
Yeah.
See what we do. But this, I might get this, convert this into a Bluetooth, maybe something like that. I don't know. Alright, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll keep you guys posted. But should be fun. I'll have to do a little sanding. Might have to peel the wood back. We'll see. Do a little 2K priming. That's it. Later, guys.